Sri Ganesha Sharada Gurubhyo Namaha Sindhuraruna Vigraham Trinayanam Manikyamaulispurat Taranayaka Shekharam Smitamukhim Apinamakshoruham Panibhyam Alipurna Ratna Chashakam Raktapalam Bibhratim Saumyam Ratna Gadasta Rakta Charanam Dhyayet Param Ambikam. Welcome to all for this session on Lalitopakhyanam. In the previous part of this in this session, we have heard how exactly Bhandasura was born out of the ashes of Kama, where Kama was burned to ashes by Shiva when he was trying to distract Shiva from his samadhi, because that was a necessity in order to distract Shiva so that Shiva could get union with Parvati, leading to the birth of Kumara, who will go into slain the Tarakasura who was terrorizing all the triple world. And now that the Bhanda is born out of an image created by Chitrakarma, one of the Shivagana, so Shiva filled the life into that image, and then Chitrakarma had taught him the Shatarudriya mantra with which the Bhandasura had pleased Shiva and got many boons from him to rule over the triple world for 60,000 years. Hayagriva continued the story. As Bhanda was born of the ashes caused by Rudra's wrath, his qualities were also akin to Raudra or wrathful. He became most invincible, knowing all that had newly taken place. Shukracharya and his Danava followers arrived at the spot and welcomed Bhandasura as their king and ruler. Bhandasura received the Danava Guru with a great respect and sent for the sculptor Maya. He ordered him to create a beautiful city in the place indicated by Shukracharya. Maya did so, and there was created Solapura or Shunya Nagara, more beautiful than even Swargaloka. Then, in an auspicious hour, Shukracharya installed Bhandasura on the throne and invested him with the golden crown of power once presented by Brahma himself. He gave him the jeweled fans that dispelled all diseases and sickness, a shield that gave protection from all manner of weapons. The bow called Vijaya means success, a fearful khadga or sword, and many precious jewels and ornaments. The following 8 Danava chiefs became his ministers. Indra Amitragna, Vidyunmali, Vibhushana, Grakarma, Ud- Ugradanava, Vijaya, and Shrutavarma. Bhandasura then wedded 4 wives by name Sammohini, Kumudini, Chitragni, and Sundari. Through the influence of time, Indra, with all his devas and devatas, became subjects to the Daityas who grew stronger day by day. Following the advice of their guru Shukracharya, the Daityas vied for one another in their daily worship of Lord Shiva. Through Shankara's mercy, they grew in stature and were blessed with children, grandchildren, and great grandchildren. Each house excelled in the performance of Mahayagnas and vied for each other in the recitation of Vedas and the study of Shastras. While previously the Devas had been receiving sacrifices at the hand of Munis and Rishis, they were now content with receiving similar offerings at the hands of their virtuous Danavas filled with Achara. Thus passed 60,000 years with Bhandasura growing mighty through his tapas, while Indra became very weak and insignificant. Thus, in this chapter, we have seen how Bhandasura, after being blessed by Shankara, became the king of all the Danavas, blessed by Shukracharya himself. He called Maya and asked him to build a beautiful city for him named Shunya Nagara, and he was enthroned in that particular city. And then he maintained a sadachara everywhere. Even the Danavas started performing several kind of tapas as well as many yagnas, which were strengthening the devas. However, because of the sadachara, the capability of daityas was also growing, and over a period of time, Bhandasura was becoming much more stronger than even Indra. Namaste Sharada Devi, Kashmira Puravasini, Twamaham Prarthaye Nityam, Vidya Danancha Dehime. Goodbye.